getting into the box first? Okay, hold on. Wait a sec. Here we go. It's a fight. Who gets into the Homes Alive box first? Who's getting in first? The smaller one. She made it in first. What are we going to do? Look. Oh, no. Now we're doing the paper ripping begins already. The dog's favorite thing is ripping up paper and unboxing things. Kitten says I could unbox this. It's hard to do this when you only have you and you're trying to unbox things at the same time. Apologies for the messy place. I'm doing some renos. Oh, that was a smooth move, Braun. You tried to psych her out, did you? Oh, she's going to take her down. I don't know what the wrestling hold name would be for that. Well, Kitten's got the upper hand right now, Braun. Braun, what are you doing over there? That's not even from that box. That's not even from there. Cal, what are you doing? This is the shenanigans we see all day. And why I never get any work done. I know. Alright, are we getting stuff out? They pack it so well that there's really, it's all in fancy stuff. There's the Raruva and the canine natural and the feline natural. All good, but these will all go to the cabinet now. Nothing exciting really there. I got you different treats yesterday. You had those already. And last, oh, you're going to try and drag those out? Or, yeah, I bet those two smell good to you. That's because one of my cats isn't feeling well. And we have to tempt him to take his meds. So, that's not for you? It's not for Callie. No, it's not for you. I know, it smells good, I betcha. Yeah, I bet. Tuna. Very good. All right, we're done. Say goodbye. Happy Friday, everyone. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.